Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
I'm walking past Denver Union Station while an event is underway, tied to the Mile High Playoffs. The atmosphere here feels immediately different from any other part of downtown. There's a sense of organization and intention in how the space is being used. Union Station has always been a focal point for Denver, but during events like this, that role becomes more visible. Barriers, signage, and staff presence guide movement without making the area feel restricted. People are gathered for a shared reason, and that alone changes how the space feels. The crowd is mixed and relaxed. Groups are standing around talking, families are moving through together, and people are clearly here to participate rather than just pass through. Interactions are easy and friendly. There's no sense of urgency or tension. The event creates a common purpose that carries through the space. Security and organisation noticeable, but not intrusive. The area feels monitored without feeling controlled. That balance matters. It allows people to linger comfortably taking photos and move at their own pace without constantly scanning their surroundings. Union Station itself reinforces that feeling. The building anchors the area both physically and psychologically. Its presence signals investment, maintenance and oversight. The plaza around it is clean, open and actively managed, which sets expectations about behaviour. Compared to other parts of the city, the difference is clear. This space feels welcoming, not because nothing could go wrong, but because conditions are set up to encourage positive use. Lighting, sightlines, and active ground-level businesses all contribute to the sense of safety. Events amplify what already works here. Union Station regularly functions as a transit hub, meeting point, and social space. When an organised event is added, those functions align rather than compete. Movement slows down instead of being chaotic. People are comfortable standing here. That's an important signal. In an urban space, lingering feels risky or discouraged. Here it feels normal. The environment supports it. Walking through this area during the playoff events, the city feels cohesive. Different groups share the same space without friction. The mood is casual and open, and interactions feel natural rather than forced. This doesn't happen by accident. Union Station is one of the most invested in areas of downtown Denver. Consistent maintenance, active programming, and visible presence all play a role in how the space operates during moments like this. Passing through, the experience is straightforward and positive. The event brings energy, but the space itself carries it well. It feels safe, friendly, and well used.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.